Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Brie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you look number 3 in my 10 looks using one palette series. The palette I'm highlighting in this series is the Sephora Pro Editorial palette. I love this palette. I think it is so pretty. I love all the colors in it. I did a pinky purple eyeshadow look with a half cut crease and I really like how it turned out. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. So on a Morphe M504, I'm going to pick up Tila. And I'm just going to buff that out above the crease. Once I have that laid down, I'm going to go in with Eliza D on a Morphe M573. I'm going to focus this on the outer corner and into the crease. Picking up that first brush and just blending out those edges. On that same Morphe brush, I'm going to pick up Electric Violet and I'm just going to add that to the outer corner. I'm going to go ahead and do a half cut crease. So I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. This is in the shade Fair Neutral. This concealer dries super fast, so you have to work quickly with it. I'm going to pick up Pink Quartz on a packing brush. So I'm just spraying it with setting spray. And then I'm just going to place that all over where we put that concealer. I'm going to take a small fluffy brush. This is a Curie Cosmetics round crease brush. I am going to take Tila and just blend over the edges so that there's a nice transition. Then I'm going to pick up that second brush, the Morphe M537, and I'm going to mix Electric Violet and Eliza D and just deepen that outer corner one more time. For the inner corner today, I'm going to take Rose Quartz and spray that. Taking white gold and hitting right under the arch of my brow. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take Myiesha and smoke that out. And then on a flat definer brush, I'm going to pick up Electric Violet. I'm going to keep that right next to the waterline. I'm going to go in with the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in Silky Nude. I'm not going to do winged liner, so I'm just going to line the top of my eye. I'm going to go in with the Jordana Best Lash Extreme Mascara. Liner I used is the Physicians Formula Eye Booster. And then I'm just going to pop on these pure lashes. I'm doing for the eyes, so I am gonna go do the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I finished up the rest of my makeup. I did film this foundation routine. This is my summer luminous drugstore foundation routine, so that video will be coming up next if you want to see it. I will link this playlist and previous seasons of my 10 looks using one palette series down below so you can check out all the other palettes I've highlighted. But this is the finished product. I really like how this turned out. I know that I have been doing pinks a lot because my hair is pink, but how could I not? But I really like this. I did pinks and purples. I really like how it turned out. I think it's very pretty. It was really simple, and I feel like I did my eyeshadow so quick for how nicely it turned out. Eyeshadow is the thing that takes me the longest to do. So I am surprised that it only took me about 25 minutes to do these eyes. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos every week. Also, leave me a comment down below with any cool eyeshadow color combos that you want to see. I was thinking I want to try some weird combinations of eyeshadows and see how I can make them work together, but I'm not really sure yet what colors I want to do. So if you have any suggestions, leave it down below so that I can check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.